So today I just wanted to share a little bit about how to make your Nearpod look very nice and polished and interactive for your students. So one of the things that I really like to do is to create the presentation on Google Slides first. And to make that look very cohesive, there are numerous websites that you can go to that have really nice templates. One of the ones that I like to use is slidesgo.com. On here, you can simply search up any sort of template you want. They have tons of options. Some of them look very professional, and some of them look very fun and would be great for elementary. I chose this one for this assignment. And then you can go to you can open it up in Google Slides, click this button here, and it will make a copy for you. And on the copy, you can edit that to be whatever you'd like. You can add your own materials in there, and it makes it just look very nice and professional. Once you have your whole Google Slides done with all of your information, then you can actually go to Nearpod and click this button right here. So once you're in Nearpod, you would go Create Lesson. And then from Create Lesson, click Upload Files. So from Upload Files, you can go to Google Drive and click the lesson that you've been working on. So here's my lesson right here. And I would upload individual slides so that you can make it more interactive and work with what you have to make each of the slides add activities into them. So once that happens, you will be able to add different activities to your slides. So one thing that I did was I took a slide like this and I would open it up, and I decided, you know what, this would be a lot better if instead of having them write it down on paper, if they could do a drag and drop. So I took a screenshot, which if you have a Mac, it would be Command-Shift-4 would give you this button where you can drag it over and it takes a screenshot. And then I went back to Nearpod. And I basically just went over and added an activity. So then there's tons of activities here that's fun to play around with. But for this one, it's a drag and drop. So I put a drag and drop right here. And it seems very blank at first. So you're going to have to add in the background. To do that, you are going to click this button right here. It's hiding from you. Upload image. And then I'm going to take the screenshot that I just took, which was the warm-up. And once you have this here, you can write your instructions here and add text labels. So you would add the different numbers that you have here. So say 4 is that one. I'm going to make it medium because that looks about the right size, and press done. And now that will be in the list, kind of like the bank, for students to drag and drop from. So that is just one strategy for making your Nearpod a little bit more interactive and nice for your students.